Welcome to QuickFly. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Tokyo, Japan's vibrant capital. From ancient temples to futuristic skyscrapers, Tokyo is a city that blends tradition and innovation like no other. So buckle up as we explore the top attractions in Tokyo you must see. First up, the world-famous Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian crossings on the planet. When the lights turn red, hundreds, sometimes thousands of people cross the street simultaneously, creating a mesmerizing sight. Don't forget to visit the Hachiko statue nearby, a heartwarming tribute to Japan's most loyal dog. Next, step back in time at Sensoji Temple, Tokyo's oldest and most significant Buddhist temple. Walk through the impressive Kaminareman Gate, explore the bustling Nakamichi shopping street, and soak in the spiritual atmosphere of this historic site in Asakusa. For breathtaking views of the city, head to Tokyo Tower or Tokyo Skytree. Inspired by the Eiffel Tower, Tokyo Tower is a must-visit landmark, while Tokyo Skytree, standing at 634 meters, is the tallest structure in Japan, offering stunning panoramic views of Tokyo and beyond. If you're into shopping, nightlife, and unique fashion, Shinjuku and Harajuku are the places to be. Experience the dazzling neon streets of Shinjuku, visit the famous Golden Guy for nightlife, and then explore Harajuku's Takeshita Street, where you'll find quirky fashion, delicious street food, and kawaii culture. Food lovers, this one's for you. Tsukiji Outer Market is a paradise for seafood enthusiasts. Enjoy fresh sushi, mouth-watering street food, and some of the best ramen Tokyo has to offer. Need a break from the city's hustle? Visit Shinjuku Gyoen or Ueno Park, especially during cherry blossom season. These parks offer a peaceful escape and are perfect for a relaxing stroll or a picnic under the sakura trees. Tokyo is a city that never ceases to amaze, offering something for everyone. From history